Hello friends, welcome back to my channel IT Parivar. So guys, one of my viewer has query like how to reset or change user password from Active Directory users and computers. Okay, so I'll show you step by step how you can do that, how you can change or reset the user ID password from Active Directory users and computers console. Okay, so let me jump on my domain controller. Okay, so this is my domain controller, this is my Active Directory server, you can say. I am going to open here server manager and going to tools option. Okay, and you can open Active Directory users and computers from here. Okay, once users Active Directory users and computers console will be opened, you will see here the domain name, right? You have to right click here and click to find option, or you can just select this and you can see here the search box option. You can click here also. Okay, you can check here by type the username, like if you have any user and if you want to reset that user password, so you have to find here. Okay, like let me show you. I have created few users here, like in HROU, Vivek Kumar, ITOU, Rajan Kumar. Okay, so let's try to reset Rajan Kumar password. Okay, so what you need to do, just try to find here, right, in Active Directory, Rajan. Okay, right click and click on reset. Enter here new password. Let me enter password, and okay, you can select this or uncheck this option. This option, if you select this option, user must change password at next login. So once user will try to log in, he will be prompted to change the password, right? If you uncheck this, user can log in with this password, whatever you entered here. Okay, say okay. You can see the password to Rajan Kumar has been changed. So in this way, you can find any Active Directory users and you can change or reset user password from Active Directory users and computers console. Okay, so guys, I hope this video will be helpful for you. So I'll request you to please subscribe my channel IT Parivar and don't forget to click on bell icon so that whenever I'll upload the new videos, you will get the new videos notification. Thank you. Bye bye.